So Melody and I is in this beautiful apiary. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like an enclosure. It's like a bird enclosure. And because we're afraid to feed them from the hand, this is what Melody and I have done. Made little trails. Whoa! I frightened them. The gray one is not afraid. He sees you, Mel. Keep going. You see if you can pet it.
The gray one is like, don't you dare. Nope, they keep on moving away.
It's because we don't have any food. We've given them all the food. There's more food. The lady said we could take as much as we want. Maybe they'll come to this one.
Whoops.
Wow, they are so colorful.
Look at that one still feeding. Nom, nom. Well, don't you dare push it.
Ooh, look at this one puffing up. Oh, they're coming back.
All of them are fighting over it.
Whoa!
It's like fireworks. Oh, here they take off.
It's okay.
Whoa!
I think if we stay here for a little bit, they'll get used to us. And we can,
Touch them?
maybe they'll trust us a little bit more. Wow, man, look at that yellow one. Is it real?
Yeah, it's real. Look.
Don't, slowly, Mel, quietly. It might fly away.
That's what I want.
Oh, well, gallop away. Maybe he knows you can't reach him. Oh, he just moved ahead.
Told you it's real.
They're flying all around. My camera can't even take that.
Look over there.
This one is talking. Hi.
Look over there. They're
Look
back
how close I am to
they're
this.
back
Whoa.
to the feed.
Slowly, slowly, so we don't scare them. That one has a blue tail. You see that?
What?
Like
I just realized one.
they haven't discovered this one yet. Let's see if they'll come to this one.
Whoops. I should.
Why?
I wonder if I wonder if that's a bird delicacy.
Yeah, bird delicacy.
Yeah. I don't think they're interested.
Oh,
in
look
it.
at that light blue one, Mel.
Where? I see it. And it's feeding with the yellow, black,
Right, let's go over there.
green tail.
Let's go a little closer so I can get a. But quietly, let's creep up. Creep
The
up
right
on
one.
it. Don't fly away. You are so pretty.
Whoops.
Huh?
That's where they like to perch. That's where they like to perch. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna. I think he looks like an ice cube.
Ice Cube. We can name you Ice Cube. What about this guy?
Icy. Jamaican king.
Yes, King.
Whoa.
And we can name the Jamaican ones the Squatty, and the one with the blue tail, the Don. You get it?
No.
Like, you know how Jamaican, well, you probably wouldn't get it.
What do they call
It's putting up his bangs, look.
Look at that big gray dude.
Duke. Duke is another good one. Let me see if I can get a close up. Oh, my space is running out. Oh, and I didn't even get the green parrot. I want to try to get the green parrot the time I have.
You see that yellow parrot?
Look at this one. Oh, the tail is teal. I can't even get a good... Why are you hiding, you beauty?
You see the one behind the gray?
Yeah. That's the one I'm trying to get. If you look behind him, the tail is teal.